Hi, good afternoon. I am John M. Alitahan, PMS Merchant Marine School in Las Piñas. So, ang video to is tuturo exploring different parts of ship and measurement of ship. So, yung una natin is ito siya. Wait. Ang una natin is ito. Ito ay keel. Here is the keel, or ito yung ilalim ng barko. Pinaka-ilalim ng barko. So, ang tawag naman dito is bulbous. So, itong ano na to, itong, ayan, yung pababa na yan, is, ang tawag dyan is stem. Okay, yung ganun na yan. Parang dulo. Tapos pababa. So, ito, dito naman is windlass. Windlass ang tawag dyan. And then, ito naman is foremast. Okay. Ito is deck. The crew deck or main deck. Ito, superstructure. And then, this, ito tinaturo sa ito. Superstructure yan. Ito naman is na bridge. Okay, na bridge. Ito naman is Monkey Island. And then the main mast. Here's the funnel, or labasan ng usok ng barko. The funnel. And then this is the poop deck. Okay. Ito. Ano itong nakaturo dito? Ito yung off perpendicular, o yung likod ng barko. Okay, dito naman is forward perpendicular, forward and upward, up lang pala. And this is the rudder and propeller. Okay, so propeller ng barko, and then rudder. Here the free deck, from waterline to deck. Ang tawag doon is free deck. And then ito naman is from keel to deck. Ang tawag sa kanya is depth. Okay? And then ito naman is ito. Ito mo tayo. Simula sa pinakaunahan ng barko, or from forward perpendicular, and then to off perpendicular. Ang tawag dyan is LOA, length overall, or yung buong measurement ng barko, o buong sukat ng barko. Tawag doon is LOA. So, pag ito naman, dito is may draft mark. Dapat, ano ko nalagyan? From draft mark, pababa siya nandito, tapos draft mark ng off perpendicular saka forward perpendicular draft. Ang tawag doon is LBP, length between perpendicular. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa kabila. Okay, tayo sa kabila. Ito ang tawag sa ilalim na to, ito simula dito sa waterline pababa, ayan, nakita niyo yan. Tawag dyan is fret. Okay? Tawag dyan is barret. Okay? So, ito ang nakaturo dito. Ang tawag dyan is hull. Ang tawag dyan ng hull. Okay? And then, ito naman is depth. Ito ay, no? Freeboard to deck from keel. Then yan. Keel from deck. Ito yung deck. Okay. So, ito naman yung drought from waterline to keel. Okay. So, ito. Last. Ito naman is yung air draft from keel to hanggang main mast. Okay. Air draft. And Thank you. Yun lang po.